Today, I'm going to show you how to find and add friends on the Zangi Messenger app in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or moving from another messaging app like WhatsApp, Zangi makes it simple to connect with people. First, make sure you've installed Zangi Messenger from the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once it's installed, open the app and log in with your Zangi ID or phone number. From the home screen, tap the Contacts tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see two main ways to add friends. 1. Syncing your phone contacts. Zangi can automatically scan your phone book and show you who is already using the app. To enable this, allow Zangi permission to access your contacts. Anyone from your phone book who has Zangi will instantly appear in your contact list, so you can start chatting right away. 2. Searching by Zangi ID or phone number. If your friend has shared their Zangi ID or registered with their phone number, simply tap Add Contact or the plus icon. Enter their Zangi ID or phone number with the correct country code, then tap Search. Once the app finds them, select their profile and tap Add to Contact. After adding someone, you can send them a message, make a call, or invite them to a group. If your friend doesn't yet have Zangi, you'll also see an option to invite them via SMS or share a download link so they can join easily. Pro tip: if you're switching from another messaging app, it's a good idea to let your close contacts know your new Zangi ID. That way, they can find and add you quickly. And that's it. Finding and adding friends on Zangi is fast, simple, and secure. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.